This is your opportunity to join a value-driven community on Discord where I'm going to be hosting weekly giveaways, challenges, and much more. And the content inside of this community are primarily just focused on different aspects that help you become a higher level person, whether that's about reading, health, or a specific type of business or investing. But I'm really more than anything just making this quick video here to make you more aware of what Ascent actually is. Because if we rewind all the way back to 2016, I was 15 years old and I'd gotten to a point where I actually started an entrepreneur club at my high school, and it was called Ascent. And when you think of Ascent, think of ascent, like going up. But originally, UScent stood for up and coming entrepreneurs. Now it's a bit more general. And after I stopped going to high school, I ended up making a Facebook group later on under the same name, but it really just wasn't the same. So now, a few years later, I'm in a place where I've been able to experience a lot more in life and especially in business, and know I have value to provide on certain topics, and have really created a super cool network of awesome people, some that you may have even heard of, that are going to be inside of this Discord providing value and just engaging and having fun. This is a place for any person of any level that just wants to be active and become a more high level valuable person. So that's exactly what this Ascent Discord was created for. So if you're going to join and not be active and engaged, then please don't join. But if you are going to be active and want to be inside of these giveaways and challenges and just having fun, learning from other people and sharing your own value, then go ahead, join the fun. It's completely for free. As I said, there's going to be a link in the description. I'm going to be active in there every single day alongside some really cool people. So go ahead and just click the link in the description or use this link right here, and I will see you on the inside.